Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are making money as usual. In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys my full story about how I went from being a broke student until I became a profitable trader. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you guys exactly how I've learned about Forex, how I've gone about it, and how I was able to even become profitable after learning how to trade. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to do my best so it will motivate you guys, and you can also follow the same path if you are willing to become profitable trader. So make sure you stick till the end of this video to get some value, and let's get into today's content. So basically, I'm currently in Ghana. I came to Ghana like 4 years ago. I think it was in 2021, 2020, 2021. So I came to Ghana to learn English. So before, if you guys don't know, I didn't know how to speak English like 4 years ago. I've learned English in Ghana. I went to, I think, Hope Life Institute. I stayed at Alajo, and the school was in Kotobabi. Maybe some of you guys may know about Accra. So I was in Accra when I learned how to speak English. And I learned for 6 months, and after learning for 6 months, I had to apply for a university. So I went to University College of Ghana. But before I even applied for that university, I had to look for some way to make money online because I don't come from a rich family. My dad and my mom, they don't really have a lot of money, so they just send me the small they can so that I can use for food and for the school and stuff. So I was looking for a way to make money online. The first way I found is those online platform that you invest your money and then you get your reward every 6 months, every 3 months. But I got a scam on that one. I think I invested around $100. I even took the money from my dad to invest, and then eventually I got scammed. I never withdrew that money. The money is gone. And later I started learning about cryptocurrency. That was even before I go to the school. So I've learned about crypto, and even when I learned about crypto, I still had to buy the crypto with my money and then hold it so I can make money. So I still need money to make money, right? But I didn't know any money. So you ask me, how did I do to even start crypto or start Forex if I did not have any money? So let me tell you guys. So basically in Africa, I don't really know about others country, but in Africa, a lot of people want to invest in crypto, but they don't know how to buy the cryptocurrency. Like they don't know how to buy meme coins, they don't know how to buy altcoin, they don't even know how to buy Bitcoin. So what I did is I I trained myself to understand crypto. I had to understand crypto at first. So I went to Udemy. I think I took some Udemy courses, some YouTube videos, and I learned how to buy cryptocurrency online. And I learned how to sell, how to swap, how to do all of the things. And later, I created a WhatsApp group where I train people. Okay, like I teach them how to buy crypto, how to sell crypto, how to understand crypto for a small fee. Now I think I was charging them around 10,000 CFA. That's like, I don't know how much dollars that is, like maybe $20 or something. So that was how much I was charging for my crypto course. And also I was selling crypto to people. Those who are not willing to buy for my course, I sell the crypto. But if I would sell the crypto to them, I may need to buy the crypto myself to sell to them. So the way I did is I created a WhatsApp group, and then I was posting that, okay, I'm selling maybe Shiba Inu, these pieces for this amount of money. I usually increase the price a bit. Let's say a $10 worth of meme coin, I sell it for like $15. So the $5 extra, that's my money. So when I post like this and people reach out to me, so they want to buy, let's say, Shiba for $15, I take my $15, I take the $15 from them, and I use that $10 to now buy the crypto for them, and I send it to them, and I keep the $5. So I did that for like 6 months, and that allowed me to save up to, I think, about $250. 6 months I've saved 250 bucks. It may not be a lot of money, but at that time that was like way too much money for me. So when I saved that 250 bucks, I bought some Shiba Inu, and I think it was in 2022. That Shiba went massive. Like the price started pumping. That $200 or 250, I flip it to 2,000. I invested $250 and I made $2,000. From me making $2,000 from that, I didn't even know how to trade. I didn't even know how to read charts. I just knew that if you buy crypto and you hold it for a long amount of time, then you are making money. So I bought Shiba and I made $2,000. And after me making $2,000, I thought maybe the money is gonna keep going up, like 5,000, 10,000, 100,000. I thought maybe I'm gonna be millionaire by now. And then eventually crypto crash. The crypto start crashing, Shiba crash, all the cryptocurrencies start crashing. So as crypto start crashing, then my $2,000 went down to like around $300. So I almost lost all the gain I've made. And from there, I started learning that what is like the best way for me to predict if the price of a certain cryptocurrency will go down. So from there, I knew that if I had to learn how to trade, then I can actually predict the price of some cryptocurrencies. So I had to like start learning how to trade, and I found some student that was in level 100. That's like my classmate, and I gave him a $50. I think give him $50 for him to teach me how to trade. And again, as I said, I was learning how to trade not because I want to make money from Forex or anything. It's just for me to read the chart, right? And when he taught me, he does not trade Forex, but he trades synthetic indices, those derivative kind of thing. So he taught me and I started trading. And from there, that guy, trust me, he did not teach me everything I'm supposed to do. He only taught me technical analysis, support and resistance. He didn't even teach me how to use MT5. So the first time I deposited, that was like $20 or $10. I clicked the wrong lot size, phew, the money is gone, right? So the money is gone. In like, I didn't know what lot size is. So the lot size was there by default. I click and then the money is gone. So from there, I knew that the guy didn't teach me everything, but I kept trading, and eventually I lost all the money I made from crypto, like all the money I made before. I lost everything on derivative. So how did I even have like the heart to continue? First, the guy that taught me how to trade, he was not profitable. So he's just a guy that makes money from basically selling courses, if I have to be honest. So I lost all my money and I keep losing money. And eventually, I went to learn how to trade properly on YouTube. I searched a lot of YouTube videos. And eventually, even when my dad sent me money to eat, I sometimes take the money to deposit and start trading with it. And someday, I hit the jackpot and I made $2,000, or I think it was like $1,700 on one trade, trading synthetic indices, of course. So from there, I was so happy. Like my very first time me making money, like big money. It was really big money for me on a trade. So I bought a new phone. At first, I was trading with a Spark 4. I had some old MacBook, I think it was 2011 or something. So I bought a new phone, which was iPhone XR. That was like the best phone I thought I could get. And I bought the phone and I sent some money to my mom saying that, well, if she can maybe pray for me to succeed in what I'm doing. I don't know. I gave her some money and the remaining, I traded again and I lost all the money. So when I lost, I think at the end, I end up having around $150 left in my, or around 300 or around 300 left in my crypto wallet. And I had to look for a new strategy because support and resistance does not work for me. I trade for like a whole week. Maybe I'll get one winning trade and everything will be losses. So I had to look for a new strategy, and I've learned on YouTube. I've searched for videos, and eventually I came across FX. So I've watched that guy's like pretty much all his YouTube videos. I love the way he teach. And then I bought his course, which cost like $140. And eventually, even when I joined his Discord, it was even worse because what he teaches on YouTube was even better than what he has on the private call or private course, because the course does not have, there is basically no cost basically, right? So I saw that I lost my money. It's okay. I mean, I lost my money on that course, but all I did is I tried to like learn the skill. So I was in my room, close the door, and then back test, trade, back test, demo, trade. I did a lot of back testing, and eventually I started seeing results with trading SMC. So trading SMC, I was able to get my first funded account with my Forex funds. I bought like a 5K account. I always tell you guys, if you really want to make money and you do not want to lose any money, always start with the smallest account size. You guys go and buy a 200K. You are just going to lose your $1,000 that you bought the 200K with. So that's what I did. I bought a 5K account, which cost me like $50, or yeah, $50 with my Forex funds. I went into 11% in drawdown. I thought maybe I lost the account already. And then I bought another 5K again. So now I have one 5K with 11% drawdown because they have 12% overall drawdown. And then the other account I bought, And eventually, I don't know how I did, but I was able to pass both phase one and phase two of the two account, even the account in drawdown, 11% drawdown. I recovered all the drawdown and I passed phase one and I passed phase two and I got my live account. But even when I got my live account, I lost my live account without even getting a payout. So the 25K I got, I lost both of them, like the live account I got. So I did not get any payout from those two accounts I got. And eventually I had to like buy a new account. And eventually I started getting some payout. I think I started with some HFT programs, which allowed you to get funded without having to pass the challenge. Because I see that I may be able to pass phase one and maybe pass phase two, but eventually at the point I like end up losing the account. So I thought maybe if I buy like a live account right away, then maybe I get lucky that at first when I trade directly, I make money. So what I did is I got some account with Nova Funding, Cortana FX, and I think some others program as well. And eventually I started getting some payout. I think I got like $2,000 payout, $1,700 payout. That was last year. And eventually I think I got like about $10,000 in payout with Nova Funding alone. And eventually I saw that Nova and all those HFT programs, they have a lot of limitations. When you request for a payout, it takes at least 2 weeks for it to process, and they have profit cap and a lot of things which I did not want. And eventually, I'm like, well, even with SMC, sometimes I make money, sometimes I lose money. So I'm like, let me learn something that is consistent, something that I know that I will not be able to lose any money. So what I did is I've learned liquidity trading, scalping mastery, which is even the strategy I'm still using it now. And that liquidity trading is the best way because every single week I end up at least making money, right? Every week I make money, and at the end of the month, at least I make some money. So what I did is from there, I had to go back to normal profile. So I went back, I got funded with Alpha Capital Group. I bought a 50K with them, and my first payout was actually a $4,000 payout, which was actually my biggest payout I had with Alpha Capital. And then I started getting more funding. I got funded with FundedX. I got funded with AscentX. AscentX, I was not be able to get the payout. I lost the account, and I got funded with FTMO. As I'm talking here, I have over $7,000 in payout with FTMO. I have almost $10,000 in payout with Funded Next and Funding Pips and Alpha Capital. So basically, I made pretty much over 50,000 in payout within the last 365 days or last year alone. So this is basically how I went from not having like any money or being a student, just a broke student, just a computer science student, and be able to become a profitable trader, have uh, the financial freedom you guys are looking for. So if you want to like do the same thing I did, all you have to do is first, the most important thing is you have to get a strategy that works. If your strategy doesn't work, doesn't matter what you do, doesn't matter how you follow your trading plan, it will never get you profitable. So you have to get a strategy that works like really well, right? Which like the one I use here, liquidity trading. If you learn how to trade liquidity, I think it's the best thing you can do. And after you know how to trade, you have to go slowly. Don't rush things up. You can go from 5K, you can go from 10K. Eventually, you're gonna get 200K, 50K, 200K. You can get there, right? So you buy your small account and then you try to practice your strategy. You try to follow your trading plan, and eventually, if you are able to do it right, then that's where you can now start making money. As I'm talking here, I can easily deposit a $25,000 in my broker, my personal broker, and I can start trading with. I don't even need prop firms now. I can travel for one. I can take my vacation. As I'm even talking now, I'm currently in Accra for a vacation. So I can do whatever the fuck I want. I can buy anything I want. And all how did I even get there is because of Forex. So if you guys want to do the same thing, all you have to do is really lock in and then do your best. 2025 may actually be your year if you can actually follow your trading plan and do everything possible for you to be able to make money, right? So hope you guys the best. And if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I really hope that this video will help you to get some value. And I just really hope. Thank you.